Translation. Sentence patterns. I am Mike Miller. Watashi wa Maiko Mira desu. Watashi wa means I am. Maiko Mira is the name Mike Miller. Des is a polite ending particle. Mr. Santos is not a student. Santos-san wa gakusei de wa arimasen. Santos-san means Mr. Santos. Gakusei means student. De wa arimasen is a polite negative form meaning is not. Is Mr. Miller a company employee? Mira-san wa kaishain desu ka? Mira-san means Mr. Miller. Kaishain means company employee. Desu ka is a polite question ending. Mr. Santos is also a company employee. Santos-san mo kaishain desu. Santos-san means Mr. Santos. Mo means also. Kaishain means company employee. Des is a polite ending particle. Example sentences. Are you Mr. Mike Miller? Anata wa Maiko Mira-san desu ka? Yes, I am Mike Miller. Hai, watashi wa Maiko Mira desu. Anata wa means you are. Desu ka is a polite question ending. Hai means yes. Are you a student, Mr. Miller? Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? No, I am not a student. Iie, watashi wa gakusei de wa arimasen. I am a company employee. Watashi wa kaishain desu. Iie means no. De wa arimasen is the polite negative form. Is Mr. Wang an engineer? Wan-san wa engineer desu ka? No, Mr. Wang is not an engineer. Iie, Wan-san wa engineer de wa arimasen. He is a doctor. Kare wa isha desu. Engineer means engineer. Isha means doctor. Who is that person? Ano ito wa dari desu ka? He is Professor What. He is a teacher at Sakura University. Kare wa Watto Kyujo desu. Kare wa Sakura Daigaku no sensei desu. Ano ito means that person. Dari means who. Kyujo means professor. Daigaku means university. Sensei means teacher. How old is Teresa? Teresa wa nansai desu ka? She is 9 years old. Kanojo wa 9 歳 desu. Nansai means how old. Sai means years old. Q means 9. Conversation. How do you do? Sato. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu means good morning. Yamada. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Same as above. Yamada. Miss Sato, this is Mr. Mike Miller. Sato-san, kochira wa Maiko Mira-san desu. Kochira means this person. San is a polite suffix. Miller. How do you do? I am Mike Miller. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Maiko Mira desu. Hajimemashite is a greeting used when meeting someone for the first time. I am from the United States of America. Watashi wa Amerika kara kikimashita. America means America. Karakimashita means came from. Nice to meet you. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu is a polite way of saying nice to meet you. Sato. I am Sato Keiko. Sato Keiko desu. Des is a copula meaning is, are. Nice to meet you. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Same as above. Reference words and information. Country, people, language. USA. America Jin. Ego. English. UK. Igirisu Jin. Ego. English. Language. Italy. Italia Jin. Italiago. Italian. Iran. Iran Jin. Persiago. Persian. India. Hindu Jin. Indigo. Hindi. Indonesia. Indonesia Jin. Indonesiago. Indonesian. Egypt. Egypto Jin. Arabiago. Arabic. Australia. Australia Jin. Ego. English. Canada. Canada Jin. Ego. English. Fransugo. French. South Korea. Kankoku Jin. Kankokugo. Korean. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia Jin. Arabiago. Arabic. Singapore. Singapuro Jin. Ego. English. Spain. Spain Jin. Spainigo. Spanish. Thailand. Thai Jin. Taigo. Thai. China. Chogoku Jin. Chogokugo. Chinese. Germany. Deutsche Jin. Deutschugo. German. Japan. Nihonjin. Nihongo. Japanese. France. Fransojin. Fransugo. French. Philippines. Philippinjin. Filipingo. Filipino. Brazil. Boragirojin. Portugarugo. Portuguese. Vietnam. Vietnamujin. Vietnamugo. Vietnamese. Malaysia. Mauritianjin. Malaysian. Mauritiago. Mexico. Mexicojin. Supingo. Spanish. Russia. Russiajin. Russiago. Russian. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!